Nifty 11 holding firm. Back to you.
Thanks for that, Pranay. We're talking Tata Motors. We are also talking Eicher Motors from the entire auto pack. The management is speaking post addressing their numbers. Let's listen in.
Not necessarily sustainable, but it is still way better than what we were last year and the year before. So it's been a good growth for us, even in the light and medium duty segment of buses. Exports, we've had an exceptional performance. So all the work we've been doing along with Volvo in terms of opening up new markets has been paying its dividends now. We sold just shy of 2,000 units. That's 1,977 units in this past quarter, which is 252% higher than the quarter 2 of last year, which was 562 units. So we've really had a very sharp increase in exports. And in the same quarter, actually, the industry grew by 72% versus our 250+%. So that's very good news. And even in Volvo trucks, so VECV also sells Volvo trucks in India. The base was very low because last year the mining segment was extremely badly hit, and but with a lower base of 121 units of these very high value trucks in quarter 2 of last year, we've actually grown to 189 units, which is a 56% growth. So that's on the. In addition to that, of course, in VE commercial vehicles, we have our world-class medium-duty engine plant, which is supplying engines to Volvo Group worldwide, including in Europe. And there we've had significant success as well. Last year we'd shipped just over 2,500 units in the entire year. So that's calendar year 2013. In quarter 1 we had shipped 2,600 units. That's only in the quarter we had clocked more than the whole of last year. And now in quarter 2 we've shipped 3,225. So it continues to grow. We have a good order book as well for engines from the medium duty engine plant to supply to the Volvo Group, and we expect that to continue to show good performance. At VECV we've launched and we're in the market with both our Pro 1000 and Pro 3000 series. These are light and medium duty trucks in the emerging mid-premium market. So these have been positioned extremely well to pull the market to a new level while maintaining, while upgrading our legacy series into Pro 1000 as well. So that's given a very, very good response in the market. We continue to see a lot of adoption of our new 13-ton truck, which has come out. That's the 3013, as we call it, the Pro series. And in the coming months, we're just launching now in this quarter our 6000 series with the first truck, which is 6031. So that's also on its way. So there's a lot of interesting things coming up in our commercial vehicle division as well. Moving on to Eicher Motors standalone business, which is housed in our in Eicher Motors standalone operations. That is our Royal Enfield motorcycle business. We've had the absolute best ever quarter, since our inception, I imagine. So that's 74,132 units just over 40,000 units last year. So that's a growth of 85% on a motorcycle units sales that we have recorded. In addition to that, there's been a lot of qualitative things going on in Royal Enfield motorcycle business as well. In our larger bid to become a global mid-sized player, we've been doing a lot of activities in the international domain. We've strengthened our presence by having our first exclusive store in London. That's in East London, and it's performing exceptionally well. We're already selling more in that store than a lot of our other stores combined in the UK. So it's.
That was Siddhartha Lal, the MD and CEO of Eicher Motors. The stock is up 5% after they've seen numbers come in quite strong. Net profits coming in at 157 crores versus estimates of 159 crores. Net sales, meanwhile, at 2,220 crores versus 2,190 crores. Other income coming in at 17.8 crores versus 21.1 crores. So they've seen some bit of benefit coming in as far as their other income goes. That's as far as earnings edge goes, but we'll take a break. Up next is our market guru with Tushar Pradhan of HSBC.